Now we are going to discuss chapter 4, exercise 4.2, question number 5C. This is the question. 3125 raised to the power x into 5 raised to the power 9 divided by 625, which is equal to 125 whole minus what is the power minus 1. For that you have to remember this equation. A raised to minus n, which is equal to 1 by a raised to n. Okay? Some sound disturbance are there because outside sounds rainy. That's why you heard like some disturbance are there. So I think you can clear properly. So come back. Here we can check this equation. A raised to minus n, which is equal to 1 by a raised to the power. So a raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. That is the equation. The same way here you can see the question. 3125 whole raised to the power x into 5 raised to the power 9 divided by 625, which is equal to 125 whole raised to the power minus n. We have to find out the value of x. Okay. Now 1 raised to 125 whole raised to the power minus 1, we can write like this. 125 minus 1, which is equal to, according to this equation, 1 by 125 whole raised to the power 1. Understood? We can write like that. So the next step I am going to write 125 minus 125 raised to the power minus 1. I am going to write like this. Okay? Now 3125 raised to the power x I am writing like that. Into 5 raised to the power 9 I am writing like that. Now by 625, the same, this left hand side I am writing like that. This is equation is there. From this side is left hand side, and that side is right hand side. Okay? So left hand side I am writing like that. But 125 whole raised to the power minus 1 I change how like this. We can write like that. 1 by 125 whole raised to the power 1. Understood? Now the third step is the same thing I am writing like that, but here I am doing one thing. This 625, understood? This 625 I am going to take from left hand side to the right hand side. Understood? From left hand side to right hand side. You remember that this is division from left hand side is going to the right hand side. What will happen? It will become into. For example, I will show here. This is 1 by 625. Okay. For example, 1 by 625 is going here. Then it becomes this division. It becomes 625 by 1. That means it becomes like that. Ulta. Okay. I mean reciprocal. Remember that thing. So same way we are going to take this 625 to that side. Then it will become where it is divide. 625 is going to right hand side, then it's become 1 into this place. Okay, 625. Understood? Now it's become from left hand side, it's going to right hand side, then it's become like this. Divided by 125, we are writing like that. Okay. The third step is 3. Again I will explain the same thing. 3125 raised to the power x into 5 raised to the power 9. I am writing like that. Nothing different. The same thing I wrote like this. Now what I did, the 625 I took from left hand side to right hand side. Then the divide 625 become into what? Into 625. Understood? Now the next step. What is the next step? 125 raised to the power x into 5 raised to the power 9. 1 into 625, 625. 125 whole raised to the power 1, 125. That one I am writing like that. Understood? Now, what is the next step? We already got 3125 raised to the power x into 5 raised to the power 9, which is equal to 625 divided by 125. Here 3125, that means 3125 raised to the power x. This is the question. So 3125 we can write like that. So we are taking the factorization, then we can divide with 5. It will become like that. Again 625, again 5, 125, 125, 5, 25, 5. So this 3125 we can write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5, 25, 125 into 5, 125, 125 into 5, 625, 625 into 5, 3125. So 3125, how we can write? 5 raised to the power 5. Understood this much? So the next step is 3000, in the place of 3125, we are going to write 5 raised to the power 5. That means 3125. Understood? 4 raised to the power x, I am writing like that, into 5 raised to the power 9, which is equal to 625 divided by 125. Understood? Now, you remember this equation here? A raised to m into n, which is equal to a raised to m into n. That means mn, that is a raised to m into n. You remember like this equation? So here the same equation we can do 5 raised to 5 whole raised to the power x. That means 5 raised to 5 into x into 5 raised to the power 9, which is equal to 625 divided by 125. Understood why I am writing like that? 5 raised to 5 raised to the power 5 into whole raised to the power x. We can write according to this equation, exponent equation, a raised to m into n, which is equal to a raised to m, and that means a raised to m into n. The same equation I am applying here, then I got 5 raised to the power 5 into x. Then remaining thing into 5 raised to the power 9, and like that 625, and wrote like that by 125. Understood? Now, already I told you 5 into 5, 5 into 5 raised to 5 raised to the power 5 into x. We can write 5 raised to the power 5x into remaining thing 5 raised to the power 9. We can write like that, which is equal to 625 divided by 5. Now 5 raised to the power 5x we are keeping like this. This into 9 we are taking from left hand side to right hand side. Divide from left hand side is going right hand side is become into the same way it is the into, I mean the multiplication. So into 5 raised to the power 9. It's taking from left hand side, it's going to the right hand side, it's become divide. Okay, that means look here, 2 which is equal to 2 into 2, this thing is equal to 4. Understood? This into 2 I am taking into that side, then what will become? 2 which is equal to this into 2 become divide. Understood? The same way this 5 raised to the power 9 is going into that side, it will become divide. Understood? Now we can write 5 raised to the power 5x, which is equal to 625 divided by 125 into 5 raised to the power 9. 625 we can write 5 raised to the power 4, and 125 we can write 5 raised to the power 3. If maybe I will write, maybe it will make some confusion for the, that's why I wrote like this only. Okay. Now we can cut this 125 and 625, then it will become 5 by 1. 125 into 125, 125 into 5, 625. That's why I wrote like that. Okay. Then balance 1, 5 raised to the power 9. Remaining thing 5 raised to the power 9. So what will be the left? 5 raised to the power 5x. 5 raised to the power 5x, which is equal to 5 divided by 1 into 5 raised to the power 9. Understood? Then 5 raised to the power 5x, which is equal to 5 divided by 1 into 5 raised to the power 9. 5 raised to the power 9. Understood? Then next step, 5 raised to the power 5x, which is equal to 5 divided by 5 raised to the power 5 raised to the power 9 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 we have to multiply 9 times. For understanding only I am taking this last step. Then we can cut these two 5s. Then it will become 5 raised to the power 5x, which is equal to 1 by how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 raised to the power 8. We can use directly the 5 raised to 5 means 5 raised to the power 1 and 5 raised to the power 9. Then we can apply a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that equation also. So I don't apply that equation directly, I am writing like that for understanding only. Understood? Now we got 5 into 5 raised to the power x, which is equal to 1 by 5 raised to the power 8. Understood? How we got 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, balance the remaining 1 is only there. 5, 8 5s are there, that's why 5 raised to the power 8. We can write like that. Understood? So 1 by 5 raised to the power 8. What is that? You remember 125 raised to the power minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 125 whole raised to the power 1. So here look, 1 by 125 whole raised to the power 1, which is equal to 125 raised to minus 1. Another example I will do. 3 raised to the power minus 8, which is equal to 1 by 3 raised to the power 8. Understood? So 1 by 3 raised to the power 8 means 3 raised to the power minus 8. The same way we can do like that. 1 by 5 raised to the power minus 8. 1 by 5 raised to the power, not minus, 1 by 5 raised to the power 8, which is equal to 5 raised to minus 8. So this value we can apply here. 5 raised to 5x, which is equal to 5 raised to the power minus 8. Understood? Then we can cut these two 5s, then which is equal to 5x, which is equal to minus 8. 5x means 5 into x, which is equal to minus 8. This x I am keeping here. This into is going to the from left hand side to the right hand side. Then 5 into 5 is going there. That means this numerator, this 5 is going there. 5 means 5 by 1. If it's going there, then it will be reciprocal 1 by 5. That means it will become divide. Okay. This 5 is going that side, then it's become 5. So the x value is minus 8 by 5. Thank you.